Hey guys, hello guys, welcome to this other slide of our 7 days Python tutorial, comprehensive tutorial for absolute beginners. Sorry for that. Here today we'll be talking about exercise and solution to exercise. So the exercise says that write a Python program to get two numbers from users. And the second one, store the numbers in two variables and perform some arithmetic operation on those numbers. That's the third. Then finally, the last but not the least, finally display the results to the users. Sorry. Then tips. He said use the input function to get the user data. Then he gave us a reference here, which is the input and output function. So this is our input and output function. So this is the reference here. So this is exactly what we'll be doing in this solution exercise 1.1. So there is a perform the following arithmetic operations such as addition, this is the addition here, subtraction, this is subtraction here, division is division here, then um, multiplication, this is it, and modulus. Let's go ahead and say use this five standard to perform arithmetic operation on the user's input and final display final step display the results using the print function here. So um this is it here. This is what we're doing. We're getting the user's inputs stored into variable, perform the arithmetic operation of the following here, and display the results to user. So first of all, um, first thing here we're gonna do is we're gonna get the user's inputs. We use the input function, which is a reference they give us here. They give us a reference here, so we're gonna get it. So let's say mhm, enter first number, first number, and I want us to understand something here real quick. Let's understand something here real quick. Um, if you're doing this, whatever you put in here, I want us to understand that whatever that goes into here, it's a string. Whatever that goes into here is a string. So for we to actually perform some arithmetic operations with the user's inputs, we actually need to convert this to an int, which is a whole number. This is a reference here. We actually did it here when we actually convert a string into an int. So that's exactly what we'll be doing here. So we need to convert it to an int so we can perform some arithmetic operations. If not, our machine won't perform any arithmetic operation for us. It's just like you're just writing some piece of string is string is a series of characters, sequence of characters. So this is not a character we're talking about numbers here. So we're gonna convert that to an integer. An int. Okay. So when that is done, quickly store in two variables. So in two variables. So we come here oh, sorry. Okay, store in two variables. So here I want to give this. I told you guys you can actually use anything to store your variable, but apart from those special words, so let's give it number one. Two. Shall we say it's a second? Okay, so we just get the user's inputs done, then store in two variables. Then third here is perform arithmetic operation. So we're going to do that right away. So we have to use the print statement. Mhm. Now two is declared, but now one is not declared. So let me declare the one. Okay, so let's have a quick run on this before we go further. Have a quick run on this. So let's come here and I'll actually save this. So let's come here and say Python say mm, exercise 1.1. That's high. The first number 20, number 20, 40. Wow. So it said we should perform the following arithmetic here. So just do the first one minus plus here. So let's do something like this. Subtraction. Let's save this. Wow. Okay. Then division. Okay. So as division. Next is multiplication. Yes. Illustrate 460. Okay. So actually performing arithmetic operations there. Then the last is the modulus. Modulus. Save and stuff there. So on the code, first number 20. Um, okay. I have a 5. So okay. So let us clear this. Then finally display the result to users. So these are the results to display to the users. So I want us to make this thing a bit more fancy. Let's make it a bit fancier than this. So I'm going to do that. Let's come here. Let's add addition. Oh, sorry, is a string. Let's treat as such. Addition. Right. So sorry for that. Okay, so want so I'm gonna make this to be more fancy and to make more fancy. So here we have the addition and said subtraction is good. Yeah, it's gonna be subtraction. Subtraction is gonna be division. Division is middle of that here. And here is gonna be multiplication. Multiplication. And lastly, it's gonna be modulus. 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 Yes, multiplication. Okay, so let's hit save. Let's hit save. Okay, so let's try to perform some arithmetic operation here. We're gonna run into an error, but I want us to see how the error, what is the error, and how we could correct the error. So let us go. Since everything is cool, but we're gonna run into an error. Right, this is a 0.1 point dot 5. Syntax. Number. Hmm. Okay, this is it. We have a syntax error here, type error. Can only concatenate string to string, not string to int. So in Python, There's what we call syntax. Not in Python programming, there's what we call syntax. And one of the syntax is like a rules when probably you go to school and they say don't make noise. You need to put on your complete uniform and your your socks and your black shoes and the rest of that. So you need to look cool and nice. So that is how it is in Python. Python has its own rules and we call it syntax. So in one of the syntax or one of the rules in Python, um, you while concatenating, you don't concatenate a string to an int. You concatenate a string to a string. As we all know, this is this is an int. This is an int, not a string. So for we to get this right, okay, for we to get this right, we need to concatenate it. I'm sorry, we need to convert it back to string. Like here, this initially was a string. So for we to perform their arithmetic operation, we need to pass it to into an int. So for the machine to know that we are actually putting what we actually put in here is a what is an integer. So it could perform that mathematical operation for us. So like I said, int is a whole number in programming. You can see VS Code, thank you for that. Int base 10 integer. So and we need to pass this into its original form, which is a string, into its original form, which is a string. So we're gonna come here. What we do here, like we did here, is very simple as that. So we need to convert it to a string, and it said str here. So go here and say str. Let's convert it to a string, or rather, so probably the same str. It's a string. SCI. So that's how we do it. That's how we convert from one data type to another data type. So we'll be talking more about data type. In our next class, we'll be talking about data type. XCR. So so this is how to pass or convert a data type into another data type. There's other data we have here that we'll call the floats. For floats and for the boolean. So let's go for the boolean bool. So don't worry, don't try to memorize more about this. Next class, I will be taking you guys through the data types and how to use data types. So this is it. Let's try and see if we're gonna run into that error again. Let me try this. Yes, specify number. Wow, wow. So now about Python, you need to pay close attention so you don't make errors. Python is as easy as any other thing. It's an easy programming language. It has a readable codes and you write less and you get more. So this is it. The first one is addition. We got 109, second is subtraction, 69, division, 4.48, multiplication, and modulus is 9. Now, this division here is something like floats, call it floats. Then this is what we call the integer, because it's a whole number. So, okay, let's just try it one more time and just play around. Okay, so guys, this is the solution to our exercise 1.1 in our 7 days Python comprehensive class. So please, this is solution. Make sure you play around, try to change some things and see if it works for you. So one thing about programming, you don't just watch tutorial like I said in the beginning, like I said in the beginning of this class, you don't just watch tutorial. Make sure you practice. Make sure you write codes. Make sure you understand how things work, and don't be scared of mistake. Don't be afraid of failure because you only learn when you do mistakes. You only learn when you do mistakes. That is the best thing about programming. When you do mistake today, you correct it, believe me, you won't do that same mistake again. I think that stuff has already stick in your head, and programming it's a very cool career to go into, most especially Python. So this is a solution to our exercise 1.1. I'll see you guys in the next class when we're talking about data types, which is the two. Like I said earlier, so sorry for the delay. We are some days backward, but we'll see what we could do to cover up the other days to make up for other days. Please note that this is a 7 days Python tutorial class for absolute beginners, and we must complete the 7 days. So for you to be a Python programmer, please don't quote me wrong. I said 7 days doesn't mean in 7 days you become a Python programmer. No, I'll be teaching you in 7 days. So for you to practice, practice, and practice, that's what makes you a Python programmer. And at the end of this class, you will be getting a certificate to certify that you actually undergo some Python tutorials or Python class. So if you're not joining us for the very first time, this is Duke's Coding Empire, this Coding Academy, sorry, this Coding Academy under the Duke's Tech Empire. So highly recommend you give us a thumbs up, smash the notification bell, and share with your friends and your loved ones. And also, you can drop your comments on the comment section below if you don't understand. Just drop your comments on the comment section below. So I will try as much as I can to reply to all your comments. Thank you, and see you in the next slide.